Have you ever thought that the chicken on your plate could be silently harming your health? Most seniors eat chicken because they believe it is one of the healthiest foods available. But what if I told you that the way you prepare, cook, or choose chicken could be creating inflammation, damaging your heart, affecting your blood circulation, and speeding up aging inside your body? Doctors and nutrition experts are increasingly warning seniors about common chicken mistakes that many people make every day. And the scary part? Most people have no idea they're doing them. Today, we're revealing the 5 biggest chicken mistakes that could be hurting your body after 60. Stay until the end, because mistake number 5 may be the most dangerous of all. Let's begin. Mistake #1. Eating processed chicken instead of fresh chicken. This is one of the biggest mistakes seniors make. Many people buy chicken nuggets, deli chicken slices, chicken sausages, or frozen breaded chicken because they're convenient. But convenience often comes with a hidden cost. These products are usually loaded with sodium, preservatives, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats. Too much sodium can increase blood pressure. High blood pressure puts stress on your heart and arteries. Over time, this can reduce healthy circulation and increase the risk of heart problems. Science shows that heavily processed foods can also increase inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is one of the major drivers of aging. It can affect your brain, nerves, muscles, and even your cells. Instead, choose fresh chicken whenever possible. Your body will thank you. Mistake #2. Eating chicken skin all the time. Now, don't panic. Chicken skin isn't poison, but eating large amounts regularly can become a problem. The skin contains significantly more fat and calories than the meat itself. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. Extra fat can contribute to weight gain and increase stress on the heart. Too much unhealthy fat may also contribute to inflammation. Your blood vessels work harder, your circulation becomes less efficient, and your energy levels may suffer. Does that mean you can never enjoy chicken skin? Of course not. The key is moderation. Most doctors recommend focusing on lean cuts of chicken while treating the skin as an occasional indulgence. Small habits create big results. Mistake #3. Cooking chicken at extremely high temperatures. This mistake surprises many people. Have you ever grilled chicken until it became heavily charred, or fried it until dark brown and crispy? Those blackened areas may not be as harmless as they look. When meat is cooked at very high temperatures, certain compounds can form. Research suggests these compounds may increase oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress can damage cells and accelerate aging. Your body is constantly trying to repair and regenerate itself. But excessive exposure to these compounds can make that job harder. A healthier option? Bake, steam, poach, or lightly grill your chicken. Cook it thoroughly, but avoid excessive charring. Your cells will benefit from the difference. Mistake *4. Depending on chicken alone for protein. Many seniors hear that protein is important. That's true. Protein helps maintain muscles, supports repair, and helps preserve strength as we age. But some people make chicken their only source of protein. That's a mistake. Your body thrives on variety. Fish provides heart-friendly nutrients. Beans offer fiber. Eggs contain important vitamins. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats. Different foods provide different tools your body needs to protect itself. Think of your body like a team. Chicken is one valuable player, but it cannot play every position. The more balanced your nutrition, the better your chances of maintaining vitality and healthy aging. Mistake /5. Believing chicken automatically makes a meal healthy. This may be the most dangerous mistake. Many people think I'm eating chicken, so this meal must be healthy. Not necessarily. What comes with the chicken matters. A fried chicken sandwich with sugary soda and French fries is very different from grilled chicken with vegetables. The entire meal affects your blood sugar. It affects insulin. It affects inflammation. It affects your heart. And it affects your energy. Even healthy foods can become unhealthy when paired with the wrong choices. Doctors often remind seniors to look at the complete picture. Healthy aging isn't about one miracle food. It's about healthy habits repeated every day. Now let's talk about what you should do. Choose fresh chicken whenever possible. Remove excess skin if you're watching calories and fat intake. Cook with healthier methods such as baking or steaming. Pair chicken with colorful vegetables. Add healthy sources of fiber. Drink enough water. Watch portion sizes. Most importantly, focus on balance. No single food can save your health, but consistent healthy choices can prevent many problems before they start. Remember this: your heart needs healthy circulation. Your brain needs oxygen-rich blood. Your muscles need protein. Your cells need nutrients to repair and regenerate. And your body needs smart daily habits. Every meal is an opportunity. Every choice matters. Every healthy decision is an investment in your future. If you're over 60, don't underestimate the power of small changes. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need miracle cures. What you need is awareness. Avoid these 5 common chicken mistakes. Protect your heart. Support healthy blood flow. Reduce inflammation. Preserve your energy. Strengthen your muscles. And give your body the tools it needs to thrive. Your future health is being built by the choices you make today. So start today. Start with your next meal. And give your body the care it deserves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips for seniors. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.